How to fix Omi TV mic not working. Hi guys, in this video you will be learning how you'll be able to fix your mic if it's not working here in Omi TV. So what you can do here is you can change the device that you're using for the Omi TV, or you can go to this settings icon that's on the upper left corner of the screen and then just go to site settings. And here you just need to make sure that the microphone is not blocked and you have allowed access for Omi TV to use. Here on this button, just make sure that it is accessed or allowed before you'll be able to use the Omi TV account. So once that has been set and reviewed, you can go ahead and refresh the website and you'll be able to see that you will now be able to access Omi TV with your camera on and your mic working. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!